I, Sarita Chaurasia, Assistant Professor in Bhojam Narsimulu Pharmacy College for Women, Hyderabad. Today I am going to share my experience about the course Effective Use of ICT Tools in Teaching Learning. This is 4-week course. In every week we have to watch some videos, and after finishing each video we have to do one quiz, that is the LBD, learning by doing. And after finishing all these videos, every week one assignment is there and we have to complete within the time. In this week 1, it is the effective teaching practices. In this I learned about the Bloom taxonomy, what is the active versus passive learning, what is the effective teaching practices, and modern pedagogical tools. And I also learned how we are going to make our presentation creative by using the PowerPoint presentation. In this week we have to prepare one presentation, and this presentation is having some rubrics. For this I prepared Introduction to Hybridization presentation, and that is the screenshot of that presentation. After making this presentation, we have to share the link into the Google Drive for the grading. And this, I said, this is having some rubrics. In this we have to follow the rule 6x6, means every slide should not contain more than 6 sentences, and every sentence should not contain more than 6 words. Then coming to the week 2. Week 2 is the creation of the online resource. In this I learned introduction and components of the online teaching. Then I learned how we are going to use the animation to make our presentation interactive, and I also learned how we are going to make the video by using the PowerPoint narration or video scribe or Screencast-O-Matic software. And I also learned how we are going to make our own website on the WordPress and its customization. And week 2 task is there. We have to prepare one presentation, then we have to make its video by using any software or this PowerPoint narration. Then we have to upload onto the YouTube. I make this presentation, that is the catalytic hydrogenation of ethene, and by using some animation, and we have to make our presentation interactive. Then coming to the week 3. Week 3 is Moodle as a learning management system. In that I learned how we are going to make our own course by using the Genomio. And then I also learned how we are going to enroll the students into that course, and I also learned how we are going to add our material into that course, how we are going to add the quiz, and after the completion of the quiz, how we are going to award the badges to the learners and simple certificate. And in this I also learned how we are going to conduct the online exam by using the Google Forms, and after the completion of exam, how we are going to award the certificate to the learner by using the Certify M. Then at the end, in this week we learned how we are going to make this Google Classroom. In this week task is having either we have to prepare this Genomio course or we have to make one Google Classroom. I opted for the making of this Google Classroom. In that I made one classroom, that is the B Form second year. In that I added a few students, and Then I added this content to the course. Then I made one online quiz in that course. And after the completion of the course, I created the certificate also. That is the screenshot of that task 3. Then coming to the week 4. Week 4 is the digital and advanced pedagogy. In that, we learned about the digital student response system by using the Mentimeter, Plickers or Kahoot. Then I learned how we are going to conduct the online real-time quiz by using the test mouse or by using the MyQuiz and so many other tools. Then I learned how we are going to implement all these modern tools into the teaching learning process. Then at the end of this week, I learned how we are going to conduct the event online like webinar or etc. Then this week the task 4 is there. We have to use any tool that is that we learned into the week 4, and after the completion of that online activity, we have to take feedback on that activity. I use this test mouse and I conducted one online quiz. Then I took the feedback on this survey monkeys. This is the screenshot of the activities that I chose, and this is the screenshot of that feedback I took on the this surveys monkey. And I want to share one thing, that this course is very useful for my teaching profession, and I learned so many things, and definitely I am going to use all these tools into my online teaching practices. And I want to say thanks to the organizer for this organizing that very interactive and very this useful course for all the teachers. Thank you to organizers.